In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get YouTube transcript using NoteGPT.io. This link I will attach in my video description. When you click, you are redirected to this website. It's called like NoteGPT.io. First, you need to sign up with your Gmail. Once you have done it, AI transcriber, then choose YouTube transcript generator. Then you need to paste your targeted YouTube video link. For example, I copy this, then share, then copy link. Then go back, then paste your targeted link, then click generate transcript. Then wait few seconds. This NoteGPT.io create YouTube transcript for you. You can see it's already generated. Once you have done everything and you want to download this, then click this download button.